Welcome to Inky Pinky Explorers.
Good habits for kids. Hello, little learners. Welcome back to Inky Pinky Explorers, where learning is fun. Today, we're going to learn about good habits. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's learn 5 super cool habits that make us happy, healthy, and kind. Number 1. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth every morning and night to keep them shiny and white. Can you say, I brush my teeth?
I brush my teeth.
Great job. 2. Say please and thank you. Good kids always use magic words like please and thank you. Try it with me, please. Thank you.
Please. Thank you.
Excellent. 3. Wash your hands. Wash your hands before eating and after playing. Clean hands is equals healthy you. Let's say it. I wash my hands.
I wash my hands.
You are superb. 4. Share and be kind. Sharing is caring. Be kind to friends, family, and everyone. Say it with me. I am kind.
I am kind.
Well done. 5. Clean up toys. After playing, clean up your toys. That's what superheroes do. I clean up my toys.
I clean up my toys.
I am proud of you. Let's remember our 5 good habits. Brush your teeth. Say please and thank you. Wash your hands. Be kind and share. Clean up your toys. Great job, superstar. You're learning to be a kind and smart kid. If you liked today's video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more fun learning every week. See you next time. Bye bye.